Hello everyone, welcome to PM Networking. I am Arun Kumar and I am going to introduce our Zero to Hero 100% Career Growth Mentorship Program. This is our flagship batch where we are going to cover all the important aspect of networking. These days CCNA and CCNP is not sufficient to get a good job, to get at least into networking industries. Now the competition is getting tougher and tougher. So in order to match the industry demand, we have brought this course Zero to Hero 100% Career Growth Mentorship Program, in which we are going to cover CCNA, CCNP, SD-WAN and Palo Alto. These are most important courses and they are sufficient for you to get good job in great MNCs. So let me introduce with all the details of this course. This is Zero to Hero 100% Career Growth Mentorship Program. So we are starting this batch from very basic. Even if you are not from networking industry, no matter, you can enroll in this course. We will be guiding you step by step from zero to the most advanced level of networking. Why 100% career growth mentorship program? So in which we will support you in each of your doubt. If you get any doubt you are not getting, you can directly ask your doubt in the class. But even if you do not get the point, later on after the class is over you can ask the trainer directly about your doubt. Let's see the timing and the starting date. So the batch is starting at 25th of the June 2025 and the timing is 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST from Monday to Friday. The duration of this course is 5 months. It may take 6 months, 7 months if it is necessary. So this 5 months is just a number, approx number. But if it is important for us to go beyond this certain level and provide you the best training that we have, then we might go beyond these 5 months. Okay. Apart from this, we will provide the lifetime access of the recording. So whatever the class we are conducting, we provide recording of those classes just after 2 hours of the class gets over, and this recording will be available for you with lifetime access. So this is the most important thing. If you have missed any session, so what you can do, you can just go on the recording and cover your missed chapters. So why this program is unbeatable? You know, this batch is going to be taken by Praful Misra sir, who is already an industry expert with the experience of 10 plus years. He is India's one of the most trusted and best trainer in networking industry. The second point is full lab access. You know, there are in CCNA and CCNP you can perform lab in your system, but in SD-WAN, Palo Alto, you might require our support where you need our lab to practice your lab. So we will provide you that lab access which will be available 24 and 7. So we are going to provide you lab access for that. Soft skill and training, interview preparation. There are many students who are really good at technical skills, but when it comes to soft skills they are lacking. They are not feeling confident because they do not know what are the important thing in an interview. So communication skill is one of the most important thing where we are going to focus. If your English is weak, you are not confident, so we are also going to have a separate training for that, for those who are willing to work on their soft skill and interview preparation. In interview preparation we will have regular mock interviews. We will interact, we will try to create an environment where you feel like you are in actual interview. Okay, so these things we are going to cover. Apart from this, personal mentorship and doubt support. If you came across any doubt, I have already told that if you have any doubt, you can directly ask in the class. Even if you don't get in the class, you can come to the trainer, ask one to one for mentorship and doubt support. End to end career readiness. We will also cover many things like your resume building, your next step after this course, what you will master. So these are the four courses that we are going to cover: ccna, ccnp, sd-wan, palo alto. Let's see the outcome. What you will receive in the course: you will receive smart notes plus study plans. There will be a plan for your study which will be provided, and you will also receive notes from our side, from PM networking. And you don't need to prepare any notes. We have already curated most important things that are there in networking and which need to stay with you after the course. So we have created one of the best notes on networking, and you would have seen if you are following us on LinkedIn, so we share also our notes there. 100% practical lab, so you can remotely access our lab. Real interview preparation plus mock interviews, I have already told this point. Also soft skill training, this also has been already informed. We will also help you in your resume building and LinkedIn optimization. LinkedIn is very important for job seekers, so we will also help you here, your resume building and LinkedIn optimization. Career mentorship with industry expert, we have already shared this point. You will also get close access of our WhatsApp community, where our trainers will be there, our lab support guys will be there, and other intellectual, where you can ask your networking doubts and they will be replying. You can uh, make a network of good engineers out of that group. And again, I have already told that you will get the recording of these classes for lifetime. Who should enroll? See, this course is not for only those who are graduated in engineering department. This is also for those who are from commerce, BA or BSc. They can also enroll in this. And this is also for working professional. Some of you would have already ccna, ccnp, but let me tell you guys, if you are going to enroll in this course, you will have a different experience of ccna, ccnp. These are most important fundamental of the networking. So you might be knowing ccna, ccnp, but I would request you to come and enroll in this course. And I'm quite sure that you will be having a lot of new things after completing our course. So it is for freshers with zero knowledge, working professional, students. And if I talk about career path after this program, so what are the career path that you can get after this? So network engineer L1, L2, SOC, NOC analyst, firewall administrator, SD-WAN engineer, security operation associate, Cisco certified professionals. So these are the profiles that you can target after this program. Guys, the most important part: seats are limited in this batch. We have already uh, limited our seats so that we can focus on each student in a better way, and that is why we have limited the batch size. So if you want to enroll ASAP so that you can book your seat and get to the learning. Otherwise, if the seats are filled, then you won't be able to join this batch. Again, these are the detail. Training is starting from 25th of the June. Timing is 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST from Monday to Friday. Mode is online. These are the benefits. I am also going to show you the syllabus that we have. What is the syllabus that we are going to cover? So syllabus is completely matching with the Cisco official syllabus. This is latest CCNA syllabus, in which OSI model, IP addressing, subnetting, VLSM, routing protocols like EIGRP, OSP, BGP, VLANs, VLANs trunking, STP, access control list. So you can see these are the syllabus of our courses. I am just scrolling that you can see. Again, the most important thing, guys, we are going to make lot of real life projects like campus network, hospital network, where you will have real understanding of how things works. So this is the golden opportunity for you. Enroll and enjoy the best course of your life. I am quite sure that this will be your life changing decision. Thank you so much guys for watching till the end. I am sure that you will definitely enroll and make your career outstanding. All the detail regarding the batch is in description. Let me show you how you can enroll. You can enroll from here. You can click on buy now and you will be redirected to checkout page. The website is working a bit slow, might be network issue. So you have to register first and then you will be redirected to checkout, and you have to fill a simple form with your basic detail like name, address, and then you can enroll. Thank you so much guys for watching till the end. The website course link is in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.